welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. I had a baby, so you know what I'm out here doing, getting back into shape. I know a while back I told you I wanted to take you guys on my journey. That's still the case. However, we're gonna do things a little differently. We're gonna do it my way. We're gonna do it my way. A lot has changed in this last year since I've had my baby. He's 4 months now. My girls are 4 and 7, getting so big, but this has been one hell of a ride as far as my life, and I want to share it with you guys, so stay tuned. Today, the first day I'm getting back to like really working out. I'm adding structure and discipline to my life, more order, organization, because it's time to get it. You know what I'm saying? Like, why wait? I put off too much time, and there's so much in store, and I'm not gonna miss out on nothing with my name on it, okay? And I don't want you guys to miss out on anything with your name on it either. So it's time to stay focused, get focused, and stay focused. Because we can always, you know, sometimes it just happens where we just fall off. But we just got to get back on track. It's a beautiful day out. It's hot as hell. But I'm not going to complain because we stay in Wisconsin. And it's not hot all the time. It's always cold. So yeah, I'm about to meet up with my friend, my bestie. You guys remember her from when she did my hair. She still does my hair. But the hair video that I posted about, you know, going from being natural to a perm, that's her. So yeah, when I meet up with her, we'll get back to you, right? Okay, so I ended up walking to the wrong stairs. So I ran from all the way back there to where I'm at now, because I need to catch my breath. I'm gonna start back running in a second. Yeah, she's a little further than, a lot further, because where I parked at, it's still a little distance from where she's sitting. I just walked the total opposite way, so now I'm doing double the work, which is cool because this is what I came down here for, to exercise. But yeah, so I'm a little tired, but it's all good, you know. Whew, no pain, no gain. My legs starting to burn. When y'all legs start to burn, like, what do y'all do? I know you can't scratch because you get the webs, right? So like, what do you do? Because boy, I know that means you burning fat. Man, I just want to scratch. But alright, I'll see y'all later. Hey, bestie. Eating her mango. She's studying for a class that she's about to present. Are you excited?
I am.
That's good.
Scary, but I am excited.
Yes, this is your first one?
It is.
First of many, right?
Right. Nationwide.
Awesome.
We're gonna claim that.
Yes. I'm
Don't
excited
ask me
for
why
you.
I'm eating it like an apple. Ziana forgot the knife.
Leave it up to me. You know, it's always going to be one thing missing. And it's probably going to be the main ingredient.
All right.
Yeah. Just sitting out here.
They really having fun.
It's so beautiful out. It's a nice angle. You see the sky. Yeah. anyways, so we were just talking about, was it like the season? Like
Let
this,
it go, bro.
yeah, letting go.
Oh my God.
Letting go. Got a little interrupted for the moment, but this season that we're in is basically a new elevation, a new dimension, and it's new. It's like moving away from what we know, getting us out of our comfort zone, and pretty much, you know, letting go of old habits, of people that mean us either, whether it's they mean us no good, or we just have to, like, you know, leave people where they, how can I say this, like, not necessarily saying they don't mean us any good, but maybe this is the season for us to go in alone,
Separate ways.
yeah. Yeah, so I don't know, we're just riding on that, and it can be harder. It's better said than done. So it's definitely a test. It's a lesson to be learned, so that we can go to that next level. Time to be obedient to what we're being told. We want to hold on to people and take them places, and it's like they can't go with you. They can't go to this new level, this new dimension. You know, it's not for them, it's for you. And I feel like, for me personally, God wants me to see Him. He wants me to see what He's doing for me in my life, for Him to get the glory, not for anyone else to get the glory, not even for myself to get the glory, but for Him. So I'm excited about this season. It can be challenging. It's definitely challenging. Sometimes it don't even feel good, you know, but it's a part of the process, a part of life. We think that success is just uphill, you know, but it can be, you know, a few curves, twists, turns. Might have to do some hurdles, jump over some hurdles, but, you know, you're going to get to where you need to go as long as you're obedient and listening to what needs to be done. And, you know, I don't know. I'm just, you know, working my way through life, just trying to learn as I go. I'm not an expert. I don't know no better. I fail. I make mistakes. I'm not perfect, nowhere near, but I'm trying. I'm a trying person, and I'm not gonna give up, because this is what I want. I see it, I feel it, I taste it, like it's right there. So I'm like, oh, you gotta get left behind? Pew. Like, say no more. I done heard you. I heard you, God. I heard you. You know, you keep telling me the same thing over and over again. Eventually, you know, I gotta learn. You know, I gotta get the message. I'm tired of going in a circle, going on the Ferris wheel. You know, I'm not seeing good results. I want to see good results, not the bad ones. So yeah. Don't say it, cause she don't want to be sick. But yeah. Today I have to get organized, so I'm, like, as you guys see, I'm starting to get back recording and posting, just letting you guys in on what's going on. Life with Tallnfierce. And two, I have a fashion show coming up that I'm planning. I want it to be everything that I envisioned it. Like, God gave me this vision earlier this year, and I'm just like, oh, it's time. Like, I just had a baby. I got so much to share. It's just time to move on up. So I need to plan that and get everything situated with that, along with my full-time job. I have to really get away from home, and it's so easy to just be like, okay, well, let me just run to the store. I'll come back in a second, you know, and then that store run turn into a whole hour. Then you gotta go, you know, do something else. Then you're in your phone. Okay. My phone about to die, but then you're like in your phone, then you see your social media and you're scrolling, like so many distractions, and it's like, no, now I need some structure. I need to sit it down, you know. So that's one thing, along with I do lashes as well. So I need to start scheduling one-on-one classes with people, and booking clients after a certain time, posting my work and advertising that. So it's just a lot to get in order. Nothing I can't handle. Okay. But yeah, I'm excited. It's a wonderful season. It's a wonderful season. I just went through a little breakup. It wasn't little. I can't even say a little. I just went through a breakup, but it really put a different outlook on, should I say, on life? I don't know, but it definitely made me look at certain things differently. Like, you could put so much time and effort and energy into another person, and then they can, you know, just leave, or they can just go do whatever they want to do at any given time, and you're stuck like, you know, like, I wasted all this time, and now you done lost focus of who you were originally, you know, and now you gotta find yourself back and get things back in order and back on track. It's just a lot to it, and I'm definitely glad that I went through it. It's a butterfly. But you live and you learn, and I'm not mad at the situation. I'm really grateful, because like I said, sometimes everybody can't go to where God is trying to take you. So I'm not gonna talk y'all head off too much longer, but I just want to say this, that it may get hard, you may feel like you can't keep going, you know, but just look at the bigger picture, like where you really want to go, and just keep your eyes focused on that. You're going to eventually get there. You're going to see different signs of, you know, as long as you're staying focused, you're going to see different signs, like, you know, detour, like go that way, like, you know, different signs, like when you driving on the road, you know, you hungry, here's a rest stop. Like, you're going to have to take time for yourself and regroup, and then get back on track, and just keep going. Just don't give up, though. Don't ever give up, and don't go back. Don't go back to what you know, because that's why it didn't work out before, clearly, you know. I don't know. Am I making sense, or I don't know.
Yeah. You know, I'm just in the days right now, so
enjoying the mango.
Right.
That's a cute picture. Yeah. Well, about to finish getting some stuff done, and I'll talk to you guys later. Hi, say hi. Say hi, YouTube. My name is Baby Nick. I'm new to the crew. And I slap and spit up a lot. Really? Oh gosh. Say hi. Hi. Boy. No, you can't, Mike. You want some mango? Sit. You sheepy? Want some mango?